Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at these extended magazines from Stuff and Things LLC or Inc. There's a logo right there for you guys. And these are for the CMR30. They look really cool. So today we're going to be going over these mainly. I also went ahead and got a foregrip from them and their side charging handle. So the company seems cool, and I really appreciate what they're doing. They're really doing some extra stuff. Sadly, I just can't recommend them. These frankly just didn't work. I have them all the way in there. It uses this little grub screw, pushes against this plate holding this together. And then you put the magazine lock on the bottom of this. Basically, if I took it any past, what was it? I think it holds 30 normally, and you get it plus 20. If I took it anywhere past 30, the follower would get caught up here in between this transition, and it basically had the same problem as the 3D printed one we made, where it just got stuck at this transition and jammed. I don't know if maybe I throw some oil in here or something, if it'll help. So I still have to check that out. So it comes with its own spring, and you can kind of see in there a little bit. I don't know if you can or not. It's hard to see. That might help. Well, if you can't, I can barely see in there either. But basically, they just kind of mount up to here. Drop the follower in, use their replacement spring, drop that bad boy in, then you'd use your normal locking tab and base plate. They look cool, and I appreciate it, but like I said, they just, once they got, the follower would come down when you're loading it to about 30. You load it to 50. You know, these 20 rounds that are in here, these first 20 just jam like hell. And I have two of them. They both do it. So that kind of sucks. The foregrip here is actually really cool because they did the Kel-Tec style, which I like. And lastly, I bought two of these charging handles, and as you can see, I only have one left. Don't recommend these. They are actually really cool, and they feel nice, and they kind of give it more of a low profile, slim look. But as you can see, I shot maybe 100 rounds at the range this weekend, and that one's already gone, so it's probably a matter of time until this one flies off. So sadly, the only thing I can really recommend from Stuff and Things right now is going to be this foregrip. Like I said, I'm not going to return any of this. I kind of took a gamble, just hoping this worked. I think these may need a break-in period and may need to be oiled, so I'll let you guys know. So I'll let you know on those. I'm not going to return them because I just like the aesthetic of it, honestly. And but do not buy these. I like I said, we didn't manhandle it. I was literally shooting when it broke. I was literally just holding it normally, and this thing just broke in half, and then one half stayed on, and then the other half just broke off. So recommend the foregrip. I actually wish I would have got the little hand stop in the front here, because this is a sharp little rail. But so the MP7 at home has gotten a cooler look, more like an MP7. And that's going to be just about it, guys. But check out Stuff and Things. Let me know if I'm just the only one that's having these issues. I doubt it, because like I said, I shot 100 rounds to this thing. But other than that, at least it looks cool. And I guess I'm out, guys. Later.